Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Rathadevidasi with a healthy recipe. Thinking for something healthy? Then here you are. Today we are going to make nutrition loaded ragi roti. This cereal is gluten free and perfect to improve health. Consuming ragi roti is beneficial for all ages. Other rotis can be substituted by this South Indian staple having low fat, fiber rich and easy to digest rotis. Ragi roti is very easy and quick to prepare without addition of any other flour. Rather, using pure ragi flour to give a wholesome roti. So let's begin. Here I have taken whole ragi and it is available easily in provision stores. This is a very healthy cereal. Ragi is rich in fibers and amino acids. These are a perfect choice for diabetes and also controls blood sugar levels. Here I have taken 1.5 cup ragi flour. You can easily get the ragi flour or else can get it ground in a flour mill. Now place a vessel on the stove. Add 1.5 cup of water. Now add salt to taste. Let the water boil. You can see the water is boiling and this is how hot the water must be. It shouldn't be warm. Now turn off the flame and add the ragi flour into it. And cover it with the lid and keep it for rest for a minute. After 1 minute, let's open the lid. Here I have taken wooden stick. Mix all this continuously to combine the flour well in water. This step needs to be done while the mixture is hot only. Now you can see this has combined well, and now transfer this dough into a mixing plate. I have transferred it. The mixture is still hot. Now sprinkle some water on it, around 1 tablespoon. Now knead the dough very well. Be careful as the mixture is hot. Moreover, be quick so that we complete this process while the mixture is hot. I have kneaded the dough very well. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee and knead it again. The dough is ready. You can see its texture. Now make medium sized dough ball depending on the size of roti you want. Similarly, make all the dough balls. Here I have made all the dough balls and keep them in a covered bowl. Here I have taken ragi flour for dusting. Now take a dough ball. When you take the dough ball, give it a final knead once before rolling it. This will get the roti roll smoothly. Dust it with some ragi flour. Now roll it into a medium thick roti. Roll it gently. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. This is ready. I have rolled it. You can see its thickness. On the other hand, I have heated a tawa and placed the roti onto it. After half a minute, turn the roti. You can see it is blowing on its own. Cook the roti from both the sides. I have shared many healthy recipes and their playlist link has been shared in the description box below. With this, our roti is ready. Similarly, make all the rotis. Now take it out in a plate. Here I have made all the rotis. Let's apply some ghee on there. Ragi roti are ready. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Our ragi rotis are offered and ready. You can serve it with any curry or sabji. Here you can see our roti is so soft and easy to make. Do try it. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be